In today's video guide, I will put you through on how to create shapes in Microsoft Word document. And not only that, you will learn how to add values on different sides of the shape we are creating here. All right. Many people find it difficult when it comes to that aspect. And today I'm going to walk you through on everything. Okay, the first shape I want us to insert here is rectangle. All right. So click on Insert tab, then select shapes. This lists some shapes for you. Okay, you can see on another group here named rectangle, so you can pick from anywhere. But here, because I've used this shape recently, I'll click on it here. Then take your cursor to the document, just as you can see right now. So once you select a shape, it changes to cross sign. Okay, press and hold on the left button of your mouse. Press and hold on the left button of your mouse. Then drag to form a shape of your choice. Now this shape is created with a particular fill color. So we need to work on this further. In most of your documents, you will not be needing a color inside the shape. So that's the first thing we are going to do. We are going to remove it. Then this new tab is created here automatically, named Shape Format. Okay. If it doesn't open automatically, you will see it here. Click on it for you to start working on the shape further. Then I need to click on Shape Fill and select None. All right. The color that is filled inside this shape initially has been removed. Another thing is that you may need to make this size thicker. And for you to do that, there's still another tool inside the shape format, that is shape outline. Click on it. Then click on weight and then select any new thickness of your choice. All right, you can go with this. This has increased the thickness of this shape. Now we need to drag this shape to another new position, or you may like to have it here. But for me, I want to drag it to a new location. All right. So if I want to drag the shape to a new position in the document, just take your cursor to the one line of the shape until you see the two pointing as the two arrows that crosses each other. Then press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then drag to a new location of your choice in the document. Now that we have positioned it now to the right place we want to have it, the next step is to assign values. You may like to have maybe values of 2 cm or 5 cm or 20 cm here, 30 cm here, and the rest. Okay, so what you need to do for that to happen is to click on Insert tab again. Once you click on Insert tab again, click on Shapes. Then locate text box. This is symbol of text box. All right. So click on it. Press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then draw the text box. Now that you're done drawing the text box, give it a value of your choice. Here I want to have 10 cm. The cm has jumped to another line, but we need to take your cursor here and then expand this. Then make this small. Then take your cursor here. Press and hold on the left button of your mouse and rotate this value. Once you're okay with the positioning, release the pressure on the mouse. Then take your cursor to one end, press and hold on the left button of your mouse and drag this to a new position, that is a side. All right. So this means that this side is 10 cm. Okay. After that, you click out. Once you click out, you can see the text box, the size that form the text box, is still showing. So we don't want to have this text box size to show that form a rectangle as well. So what you need to do is to click on the text box again. As the text box is selected, click on this shape format if it's not activated immediately. Then Click on outline. From the options list displayed here, select no fill. Then click out. You can see we have 10 cm here. Okay, so you can decide to drag it closer the more. All right, so that is how we can create shape of rectangle. So let's proceed to another shape. Okay, the second shape I want us to create here is triangle. Okay, so for you to do that, by default you'll be on the home tab. So click on insert, then click on shapes. Under basic shapes, you'll have triangle, okay? Depending on the type of triangle you want to create. This one is isosceles and this is right angle triangle. So it's your choice. So I'll click on this and then take my cursor to the document, all right? Press and hold on the lock button of your mouse and then drag until you arrive at the shape you want, okay? Then, as usual, we click on shape fill and select no fill. All right, then we can click on outline and select a thicker size. Okay, so let me go with this here. Then I can drag this shape to a new position in the document. Okay, then let's now assign value. Once we assign value in one side, you can do for other sides. Okay, for us to cut time. All right, then I'll click on insert again and then click on shapes. Then text box. Then I will get my cursor here and then have something like this. Okay, let's assume here I want to have 20 cm. Then I can press Ctrl A and select the value, get to home and make it thicker. Then increase the size to 14. All right, that's cool. Then I'll click on the text box again and then drag the value to somewhere here. Then I'll click on shape format, click on shape outline and select no fill. Then I can rotate this. I will minimize this. So gently drag and drop here. All right, so we have rectangle. So you can have other values around the other sides. Okay, so that's that for rectangle. Let's move to the next shape. The next shape I want us to create is star. All right, so take your cursor here under the shape you just created and double click. All right, then enter. To have a star shape, as usual, click on Insert tab, then click on Shapes. Then scroll down and there is a group named Stars and Banners. Okay, click on any of the stars you want to have in the document. Then take your cursor to the document, press and hold on the left button of your mouse, and then drag until you get the shape you want. All right, once you're done with that, you can see shape format. So click on fill and select no fill. The next shape we are creating here is cylinder. All right, so click on insert tab, select shapes. All right, under basic shapes, you can see cylinder here. So click on it. Press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then drag. So let's assign values, which you can call numbers as well. So click on insert, select shapes, and then select text box. All right, let's say this side is going to have value of 10 cm. Then rotate. Assign value here, assign value here, assign value here. It's that simple. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we discuss technology, which cuts across so many areas. How to use some software, how to use iPhone, Android devices, YouTube education, self-publishing, and also how to use different computers. So when you subscribe to this channel, you will learn a lot and grow in knowledge. Okay? Hit the like button, the one that points up, so that YouTube will know that this content is helpful and recommend it to more people. If we don't do that, there is no how the system knows that this is a valuable content. Okay? Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Does it really solve the problem that brought you here? Or you need something extra? Let me hear your say in the comment section. To learn more on how to use Microsoft Word in detail, consider watching this video. Thank you and see you some other time.